Hey there tech fans, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best tablets that can replace your laptop. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these tablets, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Alright tech fans, so the first tablet that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the HP Elite X2 2-in-1 Business Tablet Laptop. The next tablet that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 4 spot, we've got the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 tablet. And coming in next at number 3 on our list, we've got the Microsoft Surface Pro 7. The next tablet that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 2 spot, we've got the 4th generation Apple iPad Pro. And last but not least, at our number 1 spot, we've got the Microsoft Surface Pro X. Alright tech fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which tablet you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in. Or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are literally just like this one.